Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have some pair of gloves we're going to demonstrate. I'm just kidding. No, we actually got some cool things today of all days that came in the mail early on my birthday, and it's the license plate frame red. I'm just kidding. But they did include it with some awesome red stickers. But that's not why we're here. We're here because of this bad boy, the GrimmSpeed Bypass valve that is from them in so many delicious colors of red and black for your choosing. Of course, we went with the red because we have to match the car. So without further ado, let's get it going. For those of you guys who've never been to the channel, welcome. I'm KhaozDreamz, and we like to review products and install them and let you know how they are. Alright, so first things first, now that we have the car up in the air, with whether your jack stands or your ramps, whatever you choose, just make sure you please be safe to get under there. Of course, our choice today is going to be the wonderful quick jacks. So if you guys don't know what they're about, I'll make sure to keep that link in the description as well. They make your life easier getting up underneath the car. Now that we're under the car, you can see our current setup. We have everything GrimmSpeed besides the bypass valve. So we're going to take this bypass valve off and put GrimmSpeed's new one, get some sound checks, and just enjoy the sounds. I'm definitely going to refer you guys to go to GrimmSpeed's site because they have an awesome tutorial on how to take the bypass off. So what I'm going to do is put you guys down. I'm going to take off the current bypass valve and put the new one on, and we'll be right back. Alright everyone, this is installed and all done, looking fantastic. Might not be able to see it, but you definitely will hear it. Let's get some sound clips. Okay everybody, we finally have some open road. We're gonna do some test runs to hear the bypass valve. I'll let you know what RPMs that you can hear things off. Right now we're going a good moderate speed, like about 30 miles per hour, third gear. I'm gonna do a little bit of a... That sounds really good. That's a really good thing. So we're gonna go through the gears here and just see when when you would really hear it. But so far, this GrimmSpeed bypass valve sounds absolutely amazing, and I can't stress enough that once you get it in your car and you get good on the road, you're just gonna be happy. It's great. So first gear, you can still hear it, not so loud. Do second gear pull. Not so bad. Do a third gear pull again, a little more boost. Woo! Man, if that doesn't make you smile, I don't know what is. So I want to say this is really good and easy install, fun install, and very satisfying install, because who doesn't love to hear their cars, you know, especially under boost or when you're shifting through the gears to hear it. Everything is just great about the GrimmSpeed product line, and I cannot stress this enough again, saying that if you guys are looking for a bypass valve, please give them a consideration, because this is really good. The only big difference I would say that anyone would notice is that unique sound of the and it makes you smile. I can't get enough of it, guys. So good. We're gonna go ahead and take this and put it on the outside so you guys can hear the sound as well. It's so good. It's so good. I love it. You definitely can hear everything, you know, from the turbo spools all the way down to the wastegate, and of course when the bypass valve is doing its job. Now again, for those of you who are new or just watching this, let me get the windows up real quick. We're running everything GrimmSpeed, that's from the electronic boost controller to the bypass valve to the intake to the headers to the exhaust. So everything in here is all GrimmSpeed. If they have the turbo, I would get the turbo too, but not just yet. So if you guys are in the market, please do yourself a service and do a little bit of research and seeing this bypass valve. There's another Subi. All right, everyone, that's it. We're done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I like making them. Make sure you guys give me a comment of what you want to see and what you like. And if you guys really enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and hopefully I get you guys' loyalty and be a subscriber. Other than that, guys, remember, dreams are never simple. Take care.